Well, I got my new do-it-yourself bass guitar, 5-string from Beck's Gears. This is going to be my first project, mostly a learning experience for how to paint this. So there's many different ways to go about it, painting it. I believe I'm going to go the spray can route, and I'll talk about that shortly, but let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So I've already kind of taken a preview, but I want to show you how it looks like when it comes in. You got these three parts here. Here's the body. This is the main project. This is the main reason why I bought this thing. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful wood. I'm gonna have to go through some sanding. It feels good to me, but it's a little bit, can be better. So yeah, there's the body. Put this off to the side right here. We got this long strip here. As you can guess, it's probably the neck. Yep, it's the neck. Alright. Take off these rubber bands here. Alright, it's beautiful. Look at that, nice inlays. 24 fret. This one's smooth. I probably won't need to do much to it. There's some pre-drilled holes here. I will paint this, the face of the head, but everything else is smooth. Hopefully the frets are leveled out. This is going to be a nice project. So the body and the neck are resembling a stiletto series from Schecter. And I'm supposing that this box is going to be the hardware. Alright, the instruction manual. That's wonderful. Yep. Some strings. I'll probably buy some different strings, of course, and some other stuff. The pickups here are not to be soldered, they're just to be connected, which is going to make things smoother. And looks like I'm good to go. So the first part of the project is going to be the body, painting the body. That's the main purpose of this video. And purchasing of this instrument, I want to see if I can learn how to do it properly. This is going to be my first time painting it, so it's going to be probably going to have a lot of mistakes involved. And that's okay. That's why I'm video recording this, so I can document it and you can learn from my errors or successes. Okay, so here's some of the tools I have. I purchased this matte black finish. It's a 2-in-1 paint and primer. We'll see how that goes. I also bought, aside from matte black, I also have metallic gold. I'm going to try 2 colors on this, and you'll see how it turns out in a bit. Got some clear coat for the final. I brought this tool right here. Help me spray it like a spray gun. We'll see how that works. Once again, I'm telling you, I'm new to this. I don't know much about it. Got some safety materials. I got this mask here, so I don't breathe in the fumes. Some rubber gloves. I bought some portrait wire, hanging wire, so I can hang this body from something. I'll figure that out. And I also bought various grits of sandpaper. Okay, so these are, this one's 400, 600, 800. This one is finer. This 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. And I got a sanding block on the way. It should arrive tomorrow. So I think this is all the stuff that I'm going to need. We'll see. Step 1 is just acquiring this material. Step 2 is going to be to set up the actual workshop, which will probably be in the garage. And step 3 will be sanding of this instrument, which already feels good. But we want a smooth finish when we paint this thing. Alright, so now that I've acquired most of the materials, it's rough here by the way. Now that I've acquired most of the materials, I'm going to go ahead and secure a working space and sand this body through the various grits before I attempt to paint it.